warmly welcome Sarfaraz Sheikh. His submission is on optimizing fire and safety systems and enhancing energy efficiency for high-rise buildings. Mr. Sheikh is the director of Ambrosia Designs Pvt. Limited with 19 plus years of experience in engineering and management. Sarfaraz holds a BE in Mechanical Engineering from Mumbai University and specialized diplomas in HVAC and R and Plumbing and Sanitation. As a member of ISHRAE and FSAI, he remains at the forefront of industry trends and practices. His expertise and dedication makes him a valuable leader in driving Ambrosia Designs to excellence. Sarfaraz will discuss optimizing fire and safety systems and enhancing energy efficiency for high-rise buildings. So let's welcome Mr. Sarfaraz.
Let me start with the design trends in high-rise buildings. First, I talk about the optimizing fire and safety systems. In this presentation, we'll explore effective strategies to improve fire and safety system in various settings. We will discuss key challenges, innovative solution, and best practices. Understanding fire is very necessary first. The fire protection system, we call it, it combines fire alarm and detection system and firefighting system. Both put together, we call it fire protection system, first of all. And it includes systems like sprinklers, hydrant, trencher system, fire suppression system, if it is necessary, emergency lighting system, signages, and all this. If I talk about optimizing a firefighting system, fire protection system, then the challenges we generally face is the false alarm, equipment malfunctioning. Many times, I personally visited many buildings where the firefighting system, the fire alarm panel is generally put on a silent mode. And that is just because of the false alarm they are getting. Laborers and the workers or many such people who are coming, they are using the fire exits, and because of that, the fire exit is getting opened again and again. The fire alarm system is kept on mute. So these are some challenges we are facing, especially in a high-rise building, because this ultimately results to the losses of lives and the property when the actual fire occurs. The firefighting system, the fire protection system, in fact, should be well equipped all the time. So these are the challenges like false alarm, equipment malfunction, insufficient coverages, lack of regular maintenance. We must have experienced that firefighting system is not functional. When we heard about any fire incident in any building, especially a high-rise building, we generally get to know that the firefighting system is not functional. The pumps were not functioning. The sprinkler did not blow when the fire occurred, because any firefighting system which we design for a building is a first aid system. Basically, it is designed maximum for 30 minutes or 60 minutes of time. But this is very essential, because if you suppress the fire at the source itself, if a fire occurred in any room, in any bedroom or in any kitchen or somewhere, if you suppress the fire there itself, it becomes very easy to contain the fire. So these are the challenges we are facing nowadays. So for addressing these challenges, we must have some correction factors, and those are very, very basic things we can do. We should have a regular audit of firefighting system, fire protection system. The fire alarm system is functioning properly or not. The firefighting system is functioning properly or not. These audits can help a lot. We can have mock drills in between. Every 2 months or every 3 months, we can have mock drill with all the occupants of the building. So this can help in maintaining the firefighting system. And I personally feel that annual maintenance contract for fire protection system is very essential. Every building should have this annual maintenance contract. Apart from that, I would like to address a couple of points. That especially if I talk about a high-rise building, hiring a facility management team could be a costly affair, but we look at the aspects they will cater, the benefits they get to the project should be considered. So facility management team should be there, and even if we go for building management system where we can integrate all these services, including the fire protection system, at one place, and somebody can monitor that it will be of a big help for any project. If we talk about advancement in technologies have revolutionized fire and safety system. smart sensors, real-time monitoring through the IBMS system, we call it Integrated Building Management System, Integrated Control System. So we can easily achieve this. Best practices, as I talked about, implementing best practices is vital for optimizing firefighting systems. Some key practices are regular inspection and maintenance, staff training and education, establishing emergency protocols, conducting drills, ensuring compliances with the fire and safety regulation. AMC shall be given for fire protection system, and mock drills shall be done on a regular interval. Now, the other aspect I need to address is the security system, especially if I talk about a high-rise building. We should have a access control system. There are very good advances in this field right now. We can go for facial recognition, biometric authentications, and the surveillance system is very good nowadays. We can have high definition cameras, intelligent analytics, monitoring, everything can be done. So we should opt for access control and surveillance system through CCTV. If I talk about sustainable energy, then there are various factors, as I also said earlier. We should understand the importance of energy efficiency in any high-rise building. We should enhance energy efficiency in high-rise building. There are a few challenges and opportunities. Like if I talk about solar system, I cannot cover the whole terrace with the solar panels. We should need to find a way in between where we can have maximum solar panels, and we can utilize the terraces also. As our architect said correctly, that we should bring the ground or touching the skies. So we should have amenities on the terrace. We should have amenities in between also. So we need to find out some way in between, because we can only put the solar panels on the roof. So we need to find out some ways where we can maximize this thing. And there are challenges and opportunities definitely, and benefits of, we should understand the benefits of sustainable practices. Opportunities for energy efficiency, innovation and strategies. We should have innovative ideas. Passive design will help. Passive design techniques and heating and cooling. I must say that nowadays architects are doing very good in providing light and ventilation, natural light and natural ventilation, and they try to maximize it in each and every lobby. So that is the area where generally we face challenges, and even on the large podiums, they try to achieve maximum ingress of natural light and natural ventilation. But then energy management system. We should have a energy management system, especially if I talk about a big project like a high-rise building. There should be an energy management system, shall be there. Some metering should be done, so we can monitor where we are going haphazard and if there is a problem there. And smart grid integration and demand response. This is about the solar panel, solar energy. Nowadays, it is mandatory to have 5% renewable, 5 to 6% of renewable energy by the committee. But we should go beyond that. We should try to achieve beyond that as far as possible, because I can understand if I talk about high-rises building, there are space concerns will be there. But we can find out some solution. We can have some additional roofs above the terraces or something like that, and we can cover it with the solar panels, or we can do that. Even the solar hot water system is a good thing. We can use the solar hot water and reduce the electricity consumption through the geysers. It's a big consumption. Yeah, the smart lighting solution. We should have lighting sensors. We should go with LED. Nowadays we are going with LEDs only, but we should have motion sensors, lighting sensors. However, we can reduce the lighting. Energy efficient HVAC system, as I talked about, we can opt for cooling water system, and even we can do various of value engineering. Then water conservation strategies, definitely we are using STPs nowadays. We are optimizing the water. But one setback is that we are not utilizing the STP treated water completely. We are utilizing it only for this thing, for irrigation and for flushing, and we can do that. There are options available with tertiary treatment where we can utilize the STP water for potable purposes. But because of some psychological barriers, we are not doing it here. But internationally, if I talk about international projects and abroad, if we are doing any project, we must be knowing that they are using the STP waters for potable purposes. But because of some psychological barriers, we could not do it here. But we should slowly start doing it, adapting for the higher this thing. Energy audits. I can request for an energy audit frequently, once a year, once a 2 year, So that will let us know where we are overgoing with the energies. And we should have a clear maintenance schedule where we can have regular maintenance of equipments and everything. That's why I talked about annual maintenance contract. If we do all these measures now, we will surely achieve a good energy efficiency in any project. That's it, Sashi. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarfaraz, for sharing your exciting views on optimizing fire and safety system and enhancing energy efficiency for high-rise buildings. For viewers who have joined us today, we would like your feedback and encourage you to stay connected with us via our social media handles. ACE Update is available on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also download our app from Google Play and App Store. We also request our viewers to stay tuned for future interactions. With that, today's interaction has now come to a close. Thank you and goodbye.